Friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video we are going to discuss about an AI tool which has many templates for writing. As like in all AI tools, it is having templates, it is having chatbot, it is used to generate codes, and also it will convert speech to text. So let us go on to today's video and explore what are the different options and templates available in that AI tool, and how it will generate content, and what are the free plans available, and also how many words we can access for free. So these are the things we are going to discuss in this today video. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool. The AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that Notey AI. So it's a ChatGPT content and image generator. So it will have many templates. So just to click on Notey AI, so and log in with your Gmail ID. So you'll be getting a dashboard like this here. So this is the dashboard of this AI tool. So you can use the 5000 words for free. So here you will be having the different option. You can see here templates, AI images, AI chat, speech to text, text to speech, next AI code. So let us explore one by one. First I am going to click templates. So here you can see the categories of templates: articles and blogs, general writing, ads and marketing tools, e-commerce, social media, website. So here you can see blog ideas, blog intros, blog titles, blog conclusion, so article rewriter, article outlines, talking points. So write short and simple informative points for your subheadings of your article. For example, if you are preparing a research paper, so you need to write a short and simple informative point regarding your subheadings. So you can use this kind of option. So this is a unique option. So here I am going to click that. So write short and simple informative points of your subheadings. For example, say so I am going to give the title as a solar power in energy sector. So this is what I am going to give subheading. So impacts of solar power in power production. So like that I am going to give a subheading. So language you can select it as English or any other language. If you want, you can select. So after that you can see quality type. So I am going to give good. So and then tone of voice you can have different types of options. So witty, sarcastic, so masculine. So like the different options I am going to select it as professional. So number of results you can select it as 1. So if you want more, you can select more also. So after that, maximum results length, it is defaultly it will be 200 words. So it's enough for a subheading. So I am going to click on generate. Let us see how it will generate content for the particular thing we have given. As we have explored in many tools having this AI templates, so you will be having paraphrasing option, summarizing option. So this one is a different option, the talking points about the particular topic. So here you can see talking points on solar power in energy sector. So here you will be having 10 important points related with the particular subheading you have given. So in order to make an algorithm of a concept you are telling, so you can use this kind of option to make it as an algorithm. So here you can see solar power is a sustainable and an energy source that harnesses sun's energy to generate electricity. Next, solar power helps to reduce greenhouse gas emission and combat climatic change. As like this 10 important points related with that particular heading we have given is generated. So you can make use of this option. This is a unique option here, that is talking points. Next you can see, as like in all AI tools, you will be having this blog conclusion, article rewriter, article outlines. So here you can see content rephraser. So here we will check it out. Rephrase your content in different voice and style to appeal for different readers. As in order to get rid of plagiarism in your research article preparation, so you have to make use of this option like content rephrase. Thereby your the probability of the plagiarism in your research paper will get reduced by rephrasing and paraphrasing. So here you can see content rephrase. So enter the content you want to rephrase. So for example, say I am going to randomly I am going to copy some text here. So here I am going to open. So this is the content I am going to copy for rewrite. So after copying, so keywords you can give. So in this keyword you can select what are the important keywords, that is about PV system design. So this is the important thing related with the particular paragraph. So after that you can select your language and type of quality, that is as I already told, that good, average, economy, premium, like that. So after that, number of results, and you can see the tone of voice, you can select as a professional. So most probably while preparing while generating content for academic, that is research paper preparation, so you have to select for professional, or else if it is in academic, so you can click on academic. So after that I am going to change the length as 250. So let us see how it will generate the content. So rephrase the content. So here you can fix the number of words also for this rephrasing, so thereby it will rephrase the content. So here you can see the introduction of photovoltaics will lead to a rapid decline in price for PV system, although the specific cost can vary depending on the market and system size. In 2014, residential 5 kilowatt system in the United States were priced at approximately $3.29 per watt. So like that, it will generate a better content, better rephrased content. So you can use this option to rephrase your content also. So after that, you can see related with ads and marketing tools, Facebook ads, so Facebook ad health lines, so LinkedIn. So these are the related social media. As far as general writing is concerned, you can see text extender. So extended short sentences into descriptive and interesting ones. So this one we will check it out. So text extender. So what we want to give is text, any text we want to give. So for example, say I am going to give this paragraph, that is half of this paragraph. So see here, so I am going to give this, and I am going to click on generate. So let us see how will the expanded version of the text will be generated. All fields are required, so we will miss it out. Keywords, in keywords about PV system components. So language, I am going to select it as English. Quality good, again professional. So here you can increase this word length also. Click on generate. So now it will generate content. So this paragraph deals with the what are the important components in the photovoltaic system. So let us see how it will works out. So here you can see we have copied just around probably around 80 to 90 words, but the content generated will be, you can see probably around 250 words. So like that you can increase or expand the content. So by giving a common sentence, so if you are in need of number of words to be increased or number of pages to be increased in your thesis, so you can make use of this option to generate a expanded version of a simple sentence. So thereby you can get a proper grammatically correct sentences using this kind of AI tool. So next you can see this content shorten. So it will shorten your content in different voice. So here this will also, you will try it out. So content shorten. So I am going to copy and paste the same thing. So after that I am going to select this as languages, like that. So all the things to be selected correctly. So after that, so here I am going to give it as a 50. So let us see how it will works out. So photovoltaic system, sunlight in an electricity using solar panels. There are different types of system based on their connection, grid, installation, size and design. So like that you can customize your number of words also in this using this kind of tool. So you can expand or shorten your content easily using this AI tool. So next important thing is that, so here you can see bullet points answers, precise and informative bullet points that provide quick and valuable answers to your customer questions. Next you can see definition. So in order to get a perfect meaning or perfect word, so you can use this kind of option. Next, answer, instant quality answers to any questions or concerns that your audience might have. Next you can see passive to active voice. So this is also very helpful for us to exchange, that is rephrase our sentences. So next you can see these are the things which is available only in pro option. So after that, startup name generator, company bios. Next related with e-commerce, social media, So next website. So these are the important things which is available as a template in this Notey AI. So after that you can have the chatbot AI chat. For example, say I am going to click this chatbot. So you can give and start a conversion here. So Notey AI will answer for your question. So here it is a normal chatbot only. You cannot go interior and technically. So just if you want general content, so you can go on and make a conversation with this chatbot, and you can that is you can communicate with this chatbot also. And also other option is that speech to text, next text to speech. So you can upload an audio that is converted into text, and then your text is converted, will be converted into, so and that is an AI voice. So here you can see these are the different AI voices available. So you can select whatever you voice you want. So after that you can see and an important option is called AI code. So title I am going to give MPPT. So write a MATLAB code for ant colony optimization for MPPT in solar PV system. So like that I am going to give. So click on generate code. So this has to be appear only when you are going for a subscription option. So update your membership to plan to use this feature. So it is not for free, only you can use this writing option. So these are the important things available in this AI tool. So here you can see this is a membership option. So you can avail 5000 words for free. So here we have used only 667 words. So you can go on and explore this AI tool. So it will generate better content only, especially that points which we have used for, that is. So here you can see, so this one, talking points. This is a unique option in this AI tool. So you can go on and explore Notey AI, so and make your research article writing easier. So hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. So have a nice day. Thank you.